I used to sit by the phone every day, waiting for a call from my children. Some days it would ring. Most days, nothing. Silence. You know that quiet that feels heavier than anything else. The emptiness that sits in your chest, in your bones, in the corners of your home. That's the sound of being forgotten. And if you've ever felt that ache, that hollow feeling that maybe, just maybe, you weren't enough, you're not alone. For years, I thought the solution was simple. Just call more, text more, leave more messages. Remind them I existed. Remind them I loved them. Remind them maybe they'd come back. But the truth hit me slowly, painfully. No amount of calling can force someone to care. And chasing them only makes you smaller in your own eyes. You replay the past endlessly. Did I hug them enough? Did I work too much? Did I miss opportunities to be there for them? I asked myself these questions every single night. I couldn't sleep. I would stare at the ceiling, thinking about every little mistake, every tiny failure. But here's the truth. Every parent makes mistakes. Every single one. And even if you didn't do everything perfectly, the love you gave was real. It mattered. You mattered. Sometimes your children just choose not to stay in touch. And that doesn't make your love any less real. It doesn't make your effort any less valuable. It doesn't erase the life you built for them. But it does mean it's time to stop chasing. Because every time you chase someone who isn't showing up, you give away a piece of yourself, your dignity, your peace, your joy. When you keep calling, keep texting, keep reminding them that you're there, it may feel like love, but it isn't. It's dependence. It's neediness. And dependence pushes people away, even your own children. The harder you chase, the faster they run. And that's a harsh lesson, but it's the one we all have to learn. So here's what I want you to hear today. Stop calling. Stop texting. Stop chasing someone who isn't showing up. This isn't rejection. This isn't giving up. This is protecting your dignity. This is saying, I am enough. My life is enough. I will not let someone else's absence define me. The first step is forgiving yourself. You did your part. You raised your children. You worked hard. You provided food, shelter, love, attention. You gave the best you knew how. You deserve peace. The guilt you carry, let it go. It doesn't belong to you anymore. The second step is to rebuild your life. Fill your days with things that bring you joy. Maybe it's woodworking. Maybe it's cooking, painting, gardening, writing, learning something new. Fill your life so full that you don't even notice the silence on the other end of the line. Build a world you love, a world that excites you. Connect with your community. Find friends, neighbors, people who share your interests. Take a class. Join a group. Laugh. Debate. Learn. Engage. You'll be amazed at how fulfilling life can be when you're actively living it instead of waiting for someone else to show up. Let go of the idea that your children's absence defines you. Let them return naturally. When they see you thriving, not waiting, not sad, not desperate, curiosity sparks. They may ask, "What's he doing? Is he okay?" And sometimes that's when they reach out. But even if they don't, it doesn't matter. You've already won because you've taken back your life. You are happy. You are alive. I want to tell you a story my grandfather once told me. He said, "If you chase a butterfly, it flies away. But if you build a garden, the butterflies come to you." I spent years staring at my phone, waiting, hoping, feeling forgotten. Then I started building my garden. I joined a woodworking class. I started cooking again. I played chess at the park with friends. I discovered new interests, new passions, new people. I became interesting to myself. I became happy. And even if my children never come back, I still have a life worth living. There's something powerful in realizing that your happiness doesn't depend on anyone else. You can be complete without someone else filling a hole inside you. And when you embrace that, something incredible happens. You become magnetic. People are drawn to your energy, your joy, your presence. Even your children, if they choose to return, will find a parent who is thriving, not waiting. A parent who is living, not lonely. You have to take action. Fill the empty hours with something that matters to you. Cook a new recipe. Try a new sport. Learn a new skill. Volunteer. Travel. Take up a hobby you always wanted. Fill your life so full of purpose, curiosity, and laughter that you forget to check your phone. That's when life starts returning your love. And remember this, sometimes, even after everything, people don't return. Sometimes they stay away, and that's their choice. That doesn't make your life any less meaningful. Your life is yours to live, not theirs to decide. You can let them go with love, but never let their absence destroy you. Today, I'm not waiting by the phone. I'm making a table in my workshop. I'm cooking a good meal. I'm laughing with friends. I'm reading, learning, exploring. I'm living. And if my children want to join me, the door is open. But I am no longer standing in the doorway waiting for them. So here's the message. Stop chasing. Stop waiting. Stop letting absence steal your happiness. Build your garden. Live your life. Fill your days with joy, laughter, curiosity, and love for yourself. Your happiness is yours to claim, and it doesn't depend on anyone else. Stop chasing. Start living.